PC-Based HMI represents a software-driven approach to industrial process monitoring, control, and visualization operating on a personal computer. In contrast to hardware-specific HMIs, this system takes advantage of the processing capabilities of a PC by utilizing software platforms such as Siemens WinCC or Rockwell Factory TalkView to establish connections with PLCs, SCADA, DCS, and IoT devices within the industrial environments. This inherent flexibility and connectivity makes PC-based HMI a highly suitable solution for a wide range of automation and process control applications. Several key features define the capabilities of PC-based HMIs. Firstly, it offers high flexibility, readily adapting to new equipment or evolving technologies through simple software reconfiguration, thereby eliminating the need for costly and time-consuming hardware modifications. Secondly, customization is a significant advantage, enabling the creation of tailored user interfaces designed to meet the specific needs of different personnel, ranging from simplified layouts for special applications to sophisticated dashboards providing in-depth insights for experienced operators. Furthermore, seamless integration is a cornerstone of PC-based HMI, facilitating the connection of diverse industrial components such as PLC, sensors from the factory floor, to databases and web applications on the operation side. Leveraging more powerful processors than hardware HMIs, PC-based human-machine interface offers real-time data visualization, dynamically displaying crucial live data points such as temperature and pressure readings alongside immediate alerts, empowering operators to react swiftly to changing conditions. Finally, connectivity to large screens is a distinct advantage. PC-based HMIs can utilize expansive high-resolution monitors or even multi-screen setups. This capability provides a comprehensive overview of operation, enabling detailed analysis, simultaneous monitoring of various data streams, and enhanced team collaboration, ultimately improving overall situational awareness and boosting operational efficiency. Here, we look at the pros and cons of PC-based HMIs comparing to HMI panels. One major advantage of PC-based HMIs is their cost-effectiveness. By leveraging existing PC infrastructure, they reduce the need for specialized hardware, saving costs. They also offer scalability and upgradability, allowing easy updates to software and hardware as technology evolves. Finally, they provide richer functionality such as multimedia support, networking capabilities, and advanced analytics, which enhance their performance in complex industrial environments. So far, I talked about the pros. However, PC-based HMIs do have some drawbacks. They can be vulnerable to cyber threats because they rely on general-purpose operating system, which may not be as secure as dedicated systems. They also require higher maintenance and technical expertise for software and hardware updates, which can be a challenge. Lastly, performance issues may arise if the PC hardware is outdated or lacks the power to handle demanding applications, potentially affecting reliability. In this part, we will explore the different form factors of PC-based HMIs, each tailored to specific use cases. First, the box PC is a compact fanless device designed to fit inside control panels, making it ideal for environments where space is limited. Next, the rack PC is built for 19-inch rack integration, offering scalability and high performance for more demanding applications. The desktop PC, a familiar form factor, provides versatility and is often used in office or lab settings with the added benefit of easy upgrades. And finally, the panel PC combines computing power with an integrated display and touch interface, making it perfect for direct interaction with machines on the factory floor. Let's dive deeper into the features and use cases of these form factors. The box PC stands out for its durability, low maintenance, and energy efficiency, making it a popular choice for industrial automation and IoT application. Rack PCs, on the other hand, offer high processing power and storage, making them ideal for data-intensive HMI systems in large facilities. Desktop PCs are user-friendly and compatible with standard peripherals, so they are often used for development, testing, or supervisory control in less harsh environments. And lastly, panel PCs are built to withstand tough conditions like dust and vibration, which is why they are widely used in manufacturing and process control, providing a rugged, all-in-one solution.